What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Arquavian here. You guys, today I'm doing something totally different. I was in the store today, right? And I came across the 2 times hot Cheetos. Oh my God, I am such a huge fan of hot Cheetos. I couldn't, I couldn't pass them up. Like, I just had to have them. They're right here. The 2 times hot Cheetos. Oh my God, y'all, I am so nervous. Like, y'all don't know. Then, and there's so many different new things coming out. They have the new Hydro Monster that I'm going to be trying for you guys today. It's called Manic Melon. Yeah, Manic Melon. And then I have Red Strawberry Fanta. Now, I was gonna do the Fanta ASMR with all the different colors, but I don't drink soda all like that, so I just got the red one because I didn't want to get all 4 different colors or 5 and ended up wasting all that pop. So I just got the red one. I got my ice ready. I'm gonna be pouring this into the ice. I love the sound of pop pouring in ice. It is so like satisfying to me. Also, when you open the pop for the first time, oh my God, so satisfying. I don't know where to start yet. Oh, and you guys, I have these candles here. These are Glade candles, my favorite candles. It is called Cashmere Woods. Oh my God, even the spray, the Cashmere Wood spray is so bomb. It's more of like a manly smell. Like a manly smell. I like manly smells. I also like, feminine smells too, but this one right here, love it. If you guys are ever out like at Walmart or Big Lots or even Dollar General, I think has them too. They're only like $5. You get 2 for $5, or you can get 1 big one for $5, and it's called Cashmere Woods. They have so many different scents that you can get into. Once you like these bad boys, it'll have your whole house smelling so good. So you guys, without further ado, I'm gonna get into this ASMR. I'm probably gonna start with the Fanta first. Let me grab my straws. Where are my straws? Oh, here they go. The red one. And you guys, I don't have like fancy straws. I really want to invest in like metal straws so that I don't have to waste the plastic ones and pollute, recycle and all that stuff. So eventually somewhere in the future I'll be investing in metal straws so I don't have to use the plastic ones. I'm just put this in here now if I can get it in there. This is hard to do, like I want to get it somewhere towards the front though. There we go. Got my straw in place. Let me go ahead and get my pop going. I'm gonna open it so you guys can hear it. I love the sound. Maybe I should get closer. Let me try to get closer so y'all can hear it open. Gotta move everything over. Listen. Ooh. Ooh, don't run over on my table. Don't play that. Let me get my ice ready because I want y'all to hear that. Yeah. Let me move my Cheetos over. I'm scared of them. I'm nervous. All right, let me open this baby. You hear that? Ooh. All right. I hope you guys can hear it. If you can't, I am so sorry. I don't have the professional mic and stuff yet, but one day, one can only dream, Can y'all hear it? Woo. You probably can't hear it that much, but man, over here, pure bliss. Pure bliss. I'm gonna put that bad boy right there. Get my Red Bull right here. Get my candles back. Hey! Woo. Oh man, I gotta move you guys closer. I need you closer to me. Oh, y'all, this table ain't big enough. Move you guys a little closer. Come closer. Come closer. Y'all, strawberry Fanta is so good. Yes, we gonna get into this a little bit later because I definitely want to try this. I love Monster, so I know for a fact that's gonna be good, without a doubt. Let's open these bad boys right here. I'm sorry if I keep looking over here. I can see myself in the monitor over this way. I really apologize, but I'm sorry. It's like long. Let me stop. Oh, yes. Y'all, they smell hot. I'm already scared. Okay, let's get into it. Wish me luck. Let me take one more drink first. Let me get my candles in here. Oh my God. Let me turn this AC off because I think it's a little too loud. I'll be right back, you guys. There we go. Okay. So there might be a little bit of background noise in the beginning of the video because I left my AC running. I initially had planned on just unplugging it before the video, but I apologize, you guys. Let's get into these 2 times hot Cheetos, extra hot. Are they good? And you guys, I got the small bag. I got this small bag because I try not to eat so much chips. Like, chips are so addicting. I got this small bag. It'll be just enough for me. But how are you guys today? How's everyone doing? Let me move this a little bit this way. Perfect. Okay. But yeah, how are you guys? How's your day going? What did y'all eat today? Comment below. Tell me what y'all ate today. I ask people that all the time. Ooh. What'd you eat today? These are spicy. Oh my God. They're so spicy. But they so good. Baby's hot. Ooh. I know. Oh, look, my eyes turning red. I know they say to drink milk with hot stuff, but it's not that hot to the point where I need milk or whatever. I'm gonna move the candles out the way right quick. I really want to get into this. But y'all, they good. Ooh. Do anybody like the sound of that slurping sound? Some people say it's annoying. Me personally, it don't bother me. I personally lightweight kind of like it. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. I'm gonna pour some more in this ice while the AC is off, because I don't know if the AC tuned out the sound of the pop pouring in, the Fanta pouring into the ice. So I'm gonna do it again. I probably shouldn't be drinking all this soda. But oh well. It's good. It's so good. Sorry, y'all. Wow. But I want to try to get my tolerance for spicy food up. Like, I've tried the Samyang hot and spicy ramen. I can handle that a little bit, but I want to be able to handle more. Like, I want to be able to handle, like, California Reapers, ghost peppers, 2 times spicy hot ramen, nuclear ramen. I'm going to try it in the future, y'all, I promise. I don't know if I'm going to be able to handle it, but you never know. That one was crunchy. So, yeah. I'm hoping that my lighting is good. I got the PlayStation on in my room. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not. I hope not. They good. I'm gonna pay for it later. I mean, that ain't no. This looks so good. And it's melon too. I know it's gonna be good. Bruh. So if you guys are out in the store and y'all come across the 2 times twice as hot Cheetos, pick them up. They're good. They're really good. Let's get into this not Fanta. Sorry. Let's get into this Hydro Monster. I'm really excited to try this. Let me fix my leg, cause my leg hurting. I like to sit on the floor. Sorry. I like to sit on the floor when I do videos. Sorry, y'all. It just fell over. I like to sit on the floor when I do videos because I feel like it's more comfortable. I feel more comfortable and everything. Let me fix this. That's better. I like to sit on the floor when I do videos. I'm just more comfortable on the floor. Hold on. Like, when I'm playing my video games or whatever, I sit on the floor. When I'm chilling here at home, I sit on the floor. And yeah, I do have furniture. If you guys go back and watch my other videos, you can see I have furniture. But I hardly ever sit on it. And that's the crazy part. Like most of the time when I'm here, I'm either sitting on the floor watching TV or playing my video games or sitting on my bed. I hardly ever sit on my couches. They're still like in mint condition. They're like still brand new, which is a good thing because they're clean and, you know, not a lot of butts been plopped on them or whatever. But yeah, y'all, get y'all some strawberry Fanta and some 2 times hot Cheetos because they're the bomb. It's good. Let's get into this manic melon monster. We're gonna be trying this next. This looks so good. Okay, let's do it. I wonder if it's gonna make a sound. I wonder. Not really. I think this is oh, okay. I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm thinking afterwards. Move this over a little bit. Okay, let me tell you guys what the hydro version of the Monster is. The hydro Monster is more of like a juice. It's not fizzy, like it doesn't have that fizzy stuff in it. It's not like soda. It's more like a juice, like a watered down juice, but like an energy drink at the same time. It's like an energy juice, basically. It's good. It's just I was expecting more of a fizz to it, or like what the Fanta gives me. That's what I was looking for when I opened this. But it's still good though. Like if it's a hot day outside and you got one of these bad boys like in a refrigerator or pour it over some ice or something, this will probably be really good and it'll cool you down so good. I like it. I was just shocked. I was expecting more of a sizzle or a fizz from it. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna cut this video short. Make sure you definitely get you some of these 2 times hot Cheetos. I'm gonna finish eating these off camera. I'm gonna tear them up. Get you some Fanta. Pour that stuff over some ice. And definitely go out and try the Hydro Monster. It's really good, very refreshing. I like the flavor. It also comes in like a blue and a green color. Sorry. I'm sorry for the burping, y'all. It just flies right out. But yeah, it comes in like a blue, and I believe it was a green and a yellow kind of flavor. I don't know what they're called, but definitely go check them out. They're very delicious, and I really enjoyed this one. It just took me a minute to take it all in. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna be doing a another video coming up. I'm gonna be eating oven baked chicken with ranch. I was so hungry, and I got me some chicken in the oven or whatever. I got it cooking, so I'm gonna eat the chicken and do the oven baked chicken mukbang in the next video. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I love you, and please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Turn on that bell notification. I would appreciate it so much. You guys, I got so much good things in the works for you. Please just, you know, stick with your boy, follow me, and we finna get it poppin'. Thank you guys.